Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion account using your Google account. This is the quickest way to get started with Notion since it skips the email verification process and gets you into your workspace in just a few clicks. First, open your web browser and head over to the Notion homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a button that says Get Notion Free. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the sign up screen where you can choose how you'd like to create your account. On the sign up screen, you'll notice several options for signing in. Select the option to sign up with Google. This method is faster and more secure since it links directly to your existing Google account without requiring you to remember another password. After clicking the Google Sign Up option, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. If you're already signed into Google on your browser, your account will appear automatically. Simply click on it to continue. If you're not signed in, you'll need to enter your Google credentials first. Next, Notion may ask for permission to access your basic Google account information. This is a standard security step that allows Notion to verify your identity, review the permissions, and click Allow to proceed. This won't give Notion access to anything sensitive, just your name and email address. Once you've granted permissions, Notion will redirect you to the workspace setup. Here, you'll see a prompt asking you to either select an existing workspace or create a new one. Since this is your first time, you'll want to create a new workspace. Look for the option to create or name your workspace. Enter a name for your workspace. This could be your personal name, your company name, or anything that helps you organize your work. After you've named it, click Confirm to move forward. Notion will then walk you through a brief initial setup. You might see prompts asking about your role, whether you want to invite teammates, or if you'd like to start with a template. These steps are optional, so feel free to skip them if you just want to explore Notion on your own first. Finally, Notion will present you with a starting page or home dashboard. This is your blank canvas where you can begin creating notes, databases, and organizing your projects. You can either open this default page or create a new one right away to start building your workspace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.